Today, we're going to be talking about past simple and past continuous. But first, have you watched my lesson on present tense? If you haven't, I want you to stop and check it out. Just click the link above and then come back and watch this one. So here we go, talking about the past. What is the difference between I read a book and I was reading a book? Let's check it out. So let's start by taking a look at past simple. What is its main job? Well, past simple describes actions that happened and or were completed in the past. It could be a second ago, like, oh my God, I just dropped my phone. It could be 10 minutes ago, like, oh no, I just had lunch. Don't worry, you don't have to cook me anything. It could be a year ago. Oh, I started working here about a year ago. Or it could be centuries ago, as in a documentary. Dinosaurs once roamed the earth, right? So don't be confused and think that past perfect describes something a long time ago. That's not its job. But that, my dear, is a lesson for another day. So past simple talks about actions that happened in the past, right? Let's look at a few more examples. When I was a student, I studied linguistics and fine art. How about you? What did you major in? It also can talk about sequence of events, as in I woke up this morning, I had a shower, and then I went to work. Sequence of events, things that happened 1, 2, 3 in the past in order. What about past continuous? So past continuous describes an action that was in progress. I like to think of it as the opening scene of a movie. Its main job is to describe the location, the setting, what was happening. Was it raining? Was there a man running down the street, right? When you see the beginning of a movie, you see a scene that sort of describes where the other actions are going to take place. As in, it was raining super hard and we were driving to Seattle when what? When other actions happened. So these longer actions were in progress, but they're just giving us the background information for the other actions that follow. As in, it was raining hard and we were driving to Seattle when we heard on the radio that he had been impeached, right? Background information that sets up the other actions that follow. So become a master of English verb tenses. Got a question about a verb tense or how to express something in time? Post your questions. I am here to help. Oh, and don't forget to get your freebie. What's a freebie? Well, a freebie is just a free, yes, free PDF self-study worksheet. Most of these YouTube videos come with freebies. In this one, you will see the rules of both past simple and past continuous with more examples. And you'll have a short writing assignment to describe something about yourself in the past. Are you curious? Click the links below. You'll find it in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay awesome, and I will see you right back here next week. Thanks again for watching.